Here are 7 wonders of the Muslim world. Number 1, a breathtaking palace and fortress complex showcasing Islamic architecture and art. Number 2 is Taj Mahal, India, a stunning white marble mausoleum and symbol of love, blending Indian, Persian, and number 3 is Medina, Saudi Arabia, the second holiest city in Islam, featuring the Prophet's Mosque Al-Masjid and Nabawi and other significant historical sites. Number 4 is Hagia Sophia, Turkey, a former Byzantine church, Ottoman mosque, and now museum, representing the convergence of Islamic and Byzantine cultures. Number 5 is Cordoba Mosque Cathedral, Spain, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture featuring a unique blend of Moorish and Gothic styles. Number 6 is the ancient Persian capital, showcasing the region's rich pre-Islamic history and cultural heritage. Number 7 is Masjid Al-Haram, Saudi Arabia, the largest mosque in the world, surrounding the Kaaba, the holiest site in Islam. These wonders represent the rich cultural, architectural, and historical heritage of the Muslim world.